Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting a post-market report and pre-market report for Bank Nifties and also Nifty. So based on the day, if you have time, I am posting different kind of technical analysis and secret strategies. So based on your support, I am planning to post important strategies and technical analysis of trading and intraday importantly. So I have posted already the post-market report of Bank Nifty for today expiry day. So how my levels have perfectly worked. If we waited today, you can make good profits. If you not watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. Okay. So coming to the topic, this is a pre-market video for tomorrow, Friday, Bank Nifty. Okay. So market today like a sideways and went some breakdowns, unable to recover from this stage. So perfectly played inside the levels and taken the position on the support. Okay, these levels are already marked. Okay, so as per these levels for tomorrow, this blue line will be the important low 4490. Okay, so this zone, this pink color zone will be the important zone. So once market if open here, okay, like in the same level or gap down, okay, just wait. If market taken resistance, okay, and breaking this previous day low, just wait because market can able to go up from this strong support. Okay, so please wait. Just once it's broken, then go for short. It will be like 100 150 points will be there up to this 4137. Okay, suppose market will be like taken support from here, it is going above means you can go for long. For first position will be the previous day low. Okay, and then you can go up to here. Okay, if market has been played here, this is the scenario. Okay, once taken resistance from here in this zone, then go for a short. Okay, after breaking these levels, don't go immediately because market can reverse from here also. Okay, so once broken, then go for short up to this one. Okay, if started support and going up, you can go for long on this zone. Okay, suppose market breaking these levels or go opening on the gap up, something like that, then you have to wait for the perfect support and resistance levels. Okay, to take. Okay, don't enter after breaking any levels. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, once market open here, just wait. Once this green line taken support, okay, go for long. This 4606. Okay, if it is taken the support from here, then go for long up to here 4708, 100 points. Okay, so after that, market will go from here and there. It will be like more resistance from here. Okay, as I updated here, previous day high, market can reverse. Okay, so if market breaking this level, you can go for short, even though here. Okay, because it is all the important zones for short sellers. Okay, so if taken resistance, you go for short from here itself once breaking these levels. Okay, if it is breaking and going above on taken support by taking the support from here, like this, then go for long up to this level. Okay, so this is the scenarios because this is not a trending market. So like once break, we can go long or short. We cannot able to explain like that. Okay, this will be little difficult to understand, but I am explaining based on the scenarios only. Okay, so briefly I'm telling again. Okay, once taken support from here in this green line, go for long up to this red line, trailing your stop loss. Okay, if it is breaking, then you can get more profit. Okay, if it is a return, you will end up with a better profit. That's it. If it is returning from this previous day high, market can reverse to down, which I updated, then go for short. Okay, if market played in this zone, as I said, once taken a resistance, then go for short after the previous day low has been broken. Okay, if strong support mark has been broken means you go for short up to this 4137, and if it is breaking again you can go for short by following the trailing stop loss. Okay, so that's it for the pre-market analysis of Bank Nifty. Follow the levels and analyze on your own. Then play with risk management. Okay, don't need to follow blindly with my levels or Indian levels. Okay, always follow the stop loss. Okay, so that's it, guys. We'll see you on next video soon. Thank you so much.